Look, this is not about how to buy a Lambo or build an online business. This is just about how to make your first $10 a day with less than 5 minutes of work. So if you never made any money online before, then these are the things that you can do right now to start making $10 a day. And it's mostly all completely free. And once you get to your first $300 a month, then I think it's gonna be a lot easier to just get to the next level. My name is Dave Nick, and these are 27 different ways to make $10 per day. The very first one is to do tests on this website, which pays about $10 per test, and each test takes about 5 to 20 minutes. Now, the website in question here is Userbrain at tester.userbrain.com, and they effectively pay you to answer different questions and to just go to different websites and companies and just give your honest opinion. Now, the reason I'm saying that you should be combining all the 27 different things that I'm talking about in this video is because even though they pay $10 in 5 minutes, there's not gonna be tests every single day, so it's not really fully reliable. But as of right now, you can just create an account to become a tester, watch an example video, and just learn from the knowledge base, and you can basically get paid $10 for it. The second website where you can make your first $10 would be this one, where they're estimating that we can start earning like $3.9 thousand every single month if we refer 100 people with their plan. And then if we increase the referrals, we can see that the revenue could potentially increase to like $12,000 a month, or eventually $14,000 every single month. But if we aim really low and we're just gonna go with like as little referrals as possible, there is a chance that with just 11 referrals we could make like $300 per month. And the platform in question is Testimonial, and they have the affiliate program over here which pays like 30% commissions. And if you have someone that is interested in building their product, their website, you can just refer them to this platform. You can say that they can have their own dedicated testimonials and testimonial wall with this platform. It's quite easy and simple to use, and then you can potentially get paid every single month from the person that you refer. Third platform where we're making a lot more than $10 a day is Airbnb. If you had like a spare room, not even an entire house or an apartment, just a spare room, that could potentially make like $45 a night. Like, this is what Airbnb estimates. If I were to have an apartment in Malaga in Spain, well, that would be like $45 a night just for one room, And if I were to rent it out for like the full 30 nights, that would be like $1.3 thousand a month. If I lower it down to only 5 nights, that will be about $200. Fourth platform where we can make $10 is this one over here, where we can get paid $15 to review a song. So you basically get paid to listen to music. It's not easy because you actually have to give your honest opinion and you have to write out a form as well, but you have instant payouts and you effectively get paid $15 per song you listen to. And if there's one song a day that you listen to, that's gonna be about $15 every single day for completely free. And the platform is Playlist Push, and then you can just click on Become a Curator. Just do bear in mind that you will need to have at least 1,000 Spotify followers for this. Website number 5 is Atom, and you can see that this person made $200, this person made $500, this person made $100, and all they're doing is submitting name ideas for different companies. So these are the contests where companies come in and they say, we're gonna give $500 to someone that comes up with the best name for our business or product, and then you just give different examples. Like, this person just wrote this one word, and that one single word for this finance business made him $500. Just one single word. And you can just go over here, you can see all the naming contests that are available. In my opinion, the best way to actually make your first $10 a day would be through this platform where you can build your own online community. Like, in the last 24 hours, this person made $2.8 thousand, this person made $3,000, $2,000, all in the last 24 hours. And then like last 30 days is like $100,000 for this person. Now, what this is all about is about building your own online community. If you go in and discover communities, you can see that these can be literally about anything. Like, this person is teaching people how to get a six-pack, and he's charging $22 a month and has 6,000 members. That's over $120,000 a month. One of my online communities is doing about $73,000 per month, and you can also sell additional digital products through that community as well. And I do have some bonuses worth $200 for completely free if you use the link from the description box down below to start a community on this platform, which is quite easy and straightforward. Just click on create your own, and you could potentially charge like $10 a month for something. And if you have 30 people inside, then that's basically $10 every single day in passive income. And I myself, I charge $199 a month, and I have about 300 members. Next up on our list is going to be Naming Force, where you can get paid to submit name ideas again. And these are some example ones, and if you scroll all the way down, you can click on winners, and you can see that this person made $100, this person made $250, this person made $113. Sometimes they're gonna ask you for a name idea, and sometimes they're gonna ask you for a slogan idea. Next up, we have what I consider to be one of the best and most sustainable online businesses, and that's to start a faceless YouTube channel. You see, I started one of my channels 9 years ago. I was literally 15 at the time, and I would just post these simple SpongeBob videos where it's just images and some voiceover, and I didn't really show my face. I didn't record anything with a camera. Now, some of my channels, just from ad revenue alone, make hundreds of dollars every single day, and for example, just a lifetime of this particular channel, just from ad revenue alone, is about $700,000, and you can start a channel on literally any topic. I even made this free tutorial on this channel that you're watching right now, where I go in depth and I show step by step how to actually launch a channel where you're not recording anything with a camera, and how to actually choose a niche, how to get views, and all of those things. It's completely free. I'm gonna link it somewhere at the end of this tutorial, and you can just watch it for free. The next app on our list is going to be Ponds, where you can actually get passive income. Now, this is not going to be a lot. You do start earning right away from different surveys and just from sharing your data, and you just basically earn instantly from that. But again, you're not gonna get paid a lot. They literally give you like $3 sign-up bonus and all of those amazing things. They paid out millions of dollars to their users, but look at how much you can actually make. So if you complete 5 surveys per day and you only do it 3 times a week, so let's say you're really gonna be grinding this. Let's say you're gonna be doing it every single day of the week. You're gonna be completing 5 surveys a day at $17 per month. But let's say if you were to do 10 surveys a day, that's gonna be $35 per month. So it's not a lot, but you can just get your first dollars with surveys here. If you're gonna be sharing your internet, you can add even more money. So if you have more devices, then you can get paid like another $96 per month. Next up, we have a platform called Teachable, where you can sell digital products. With this one, I did over $900 or $894,000 in sales so far. And to start selling here, all you gotta do is navigate to the digital products section if that's what you want to sell. Then you're just gonna click create, and you're gonna launch your digital product. If you don't know how to create it, you can just use this simple prompt that you can copy and paste and just change the thing that's in the green depending on what kind of guide you want to create. Let's say, for instance, I want to make something about smoothies. As I paste that prompt, ChatGPT will start writing this full book that I can then turn into a digital product using Canva for free. And here's how I personally did it. As you can see, now we have like a full book just literally made from ChatGPT. Now I just click share. I would then download this as a PDF standard. So just select that kind of file and then click download. And then I would go back to Teachable. I would give the product a name, just copy and paste, and I would launch it, and it would look something like this. It's actually pretty cool. Next website to make your first $10 a day would be a Zing, where you can promote different offers. But the thing that I like about this one is that they instantly give you referral links. So if you save this offer, which pays $70 per person you refer, you just click promote to earn, and you right away can copy your link. And that way, as you refer people, you just right away can start making money. Now, in this case, if you just refer one person every week, just one person per week, that would effectively be $10 a day if you divide it by days. And there's some other offers that you could also promote as an affiliate, and you can promote them through Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and other platforms. Next app on our list is going to be Honeygain, where you can also get paid to share your data and share internet as well, and get paid up to $65 per month, which again is definitely not a lot, but if you can just set it up on your device and it makes you like $65 a month extra for free, why not? Next option would be to post these trivia quizzes. For example, this person on TikTok is getting tens of millions of views on these faceless quizzes, which you can literally create for free inside of Canva. These are the quizzes that I personally made. So I have a template here, and basically just click here to play the video. It just asks you a question, which I literally just generated with ChatGPT. So what I did is just ask this prompt. I also ask it for basic questions to avoid and just insert intermediate level questions, and then it gave me these examples, and then just copy paste that into Canva. And then if I were to post this on my TikTok account, I could then also reach out to different companies with this kind of email. This would be like a template, and I could ask them to sponsor one of the videos and get me paid like $300 per video. And if I do just one sponsorship a month, then I'm basically making $10 a day. Next up, we have Wirestock, which is this platform where you can submit AI generated images and get paid in prizes. So for example, this one has $200 prize, this one has a $200 prize pool, and so on and so forth. And to generate these images, you can literally just go to Leonardo AI, which is this free AI tool. You click launch the app, and then whatever they are asking you to generate, like in that case, it was like some kind of plane, you just go to image generation and you describe what you want to generate. So in this case, I would just enter a massive instruction or slash prompt to generate something. And as you can see, I already have a bunch of images that I've generated in the past over here. And once you're done with something that you really like, then you just open that image and you can just click on the download button and go back to Wirestock to submit it. Another great way to make at least $10 a day would be to sell those PDF guides that you've generated previously using the prompt that I shared and sell them on Etsy. And for example, this person over here is selling like a Canva guide that they made. No one really knows who this person is. They're only selling it for like $1. And we can see that this person already made $3,000, which is pretty cool and would probably make a lot more than just $10 a day if done correctly. Now, just bear in mind that if you don't want to spend money on listings that you post on Etsy, here's a hack on how you can do it for free. Just go to the search bar and simply search for 40 listings for free. And now that's going to give you a lot of people that shared their referral links. So you just open this up, no need to purchase anything. You just have to use their referral link, which is this link over here in most of the cases, and then create an account that gives you 40 listings for free. So you can sell 40 different products for free before you need to pay for Etsy, which is pretty cool. Another platform on our list would be designcrowd.com. Now, this is a platform where some designers are literally making hundreds of thousands of dollars. Like this person from the US made almost $400,000, and this person from Philippines made $301,000, and then this person from Macedonia made $100,000. And if you go to the jobs section over here, you can see that some of these jobs include creating logo designs with different platforms, and then you can just submit a logo design, and then if it gets accepted from that company, then you get paid like $100, $300, $500, depending on the contest that you've participated in. And to create an account, you're just gonna go to your profile and just sign up as a freelancer. Another platform to make $10 a day would be at peopleperhour.com, because right over here, you can just search for different jobs, and you can see that this person is selling like $30 for a 500-word blog written. And if we go to this AI tool over here, which works a lot better than ChatGPT and wouldn't really get detected by the AI things, then you can just create an entire blog post with one press of a button. Some of these can be way longer, and it literally just takes you one press of a button. So for example, I've generated an entire article about how to grow on YouTube, and that took like one press of a button, 2.6 thousand words. It's a full article with like contents of table and key takeaways and even YouTube videos included, all of these things. So I could just publish it and then submit it to my client here in People Per Hour and get paid a lot more than just $30. Option number 18 would be to use this free app called TapMob, where you can get paid when someone submits their email address. You can just install it for free on your phone. I have a bunch of tutorials on my channel where I talk about how to actually use it, but you basically just copy a link to one of these offers, you start referring people, and then you get paid per email. Most of these pay anywhere from $5 to $8 per email collected, so you would need about 2 emails to collect every single day to make $10 a day, which is actually pretty attainable because you don't have to sell anything, you just have to collect emails. It's really easy. Unfortunately, it's only available in the US. Option number 19 would be to use this website called shrinkme.io, where you can get paid when someone clicks on your link. For example, this person already made $11 today, this person made $89 today, literally just from the clicks on their links without even selling anything. So all you gotta do is click on register, create an account, and then log in, then click on new shorten link, paste the link here and click shorten, and that's gonna give you a shortened version that you can share with people, and if someone clicks on it, you get paid. Number 20, we have prompt based, where you can sell specific instructions that you could give to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT gives way better results if you give it way more detailed and way longer instructions. So for example, this is a prompt that I paid $10 for. So this entire thing I paid $10 for on this marketplace called Prompt Base. And you could just write these prompts that are very detailed, and you can sell them again and again on this platform. And to start selling, all you gotta do is press sell right over here. You can start selling. And as you can see, some people are selling these for like $3, $4, and so on and so forth. And again, for you, that really doesn't take a lot of time because you just have to upload the prompts once, and that's pretty much it. Number 21, we have Shardcard. Now, in this case, you would actually have to need some social media followers, but if you do have some, like Instagram followers and so, you can start selling shoutouts, where you just mention someone on your story for 24 hours and get paid like $10, $50, $100 per post. And some people are doing it like multiple times a day, every single day, and they still operate. Next up would be to do research with this platform that pays about $8 per hour, and they have instant cash outs after the first 4 payments. So some studies can even pay like over $20 per hour. It really depends, but it's mostly like about $8 per hour. If you do 2 hours, that's $16 in a single day, and you're basically being paid to do research and help them answer questions. And as I say, you can do it from anywhere in the world. You earn extra cash, you can be absolutely anonymous, and you have complete flexibility, meaning you can just choose when you actually want to do it and when you need money and when you don't want to do these things. And the platform in question is Prolific, so you can just join the waitlist here. But the next platform that doesn't really have a waitlist and you can sign up to instantly is rev.com/freelancers, and you can get get paid weekly with people. You can choose from hundreds of jobs, which sometimes include literally just listening to audio and then transcribing what you've heard. And you get paid about $1 per minute. If that thing is 10 minutes long, then you get paid $10 for it. You can also add captions to videos and get paid about $1 per minute. And there are some other options as well. If you know a foreign language, then you can get paid up to $3 per minute to be a subtitle. Next up, we have socialtradia.com, where you can sell your Instagram account from anywhere from $4,000 to $1,000 for an account that has like 60,000 followers. But if you have a lot less, then you can sell them for about $100 or less. Your goal, again, is to make $10 a day. So that should be pretty easy. If this account is selling for 2,000 followers, $130. If you can grow your account to about 1,000 followers, you could probably sell it for $50 or $60 and so on. And to start selling on here, you will have to register an account. If you press on the sell button, just enter your handle and the category of that account and just describe what it is all about and try and sell it. Another platform that gives instant rewards is Ad Creative, and they have an affiliate program that gives 30% reoccurring commissions and instant affiliate resources that you can use right away to make money, even if you don't know how to actually drive traffic. But the process is pretty simple. You basically just get your referral link, you have a tracking system, you complete the registration, which takes a few seconds, and you earn 30% commissions for a lifetime. Option number 26 would be to self-publish an ebook, which you can write yourself using different free tools online, and you can then publish that on Kindle Direct, and you can sell it for $10. And again, if you just sell one of these per day, that's gonna be $10 per day. And people are making a lot more. People are literally making thousands of dollars a day selling ebooks on this platform. And we also have this platform, which pays $10 when you complete different tasks and when you actually answer different questions. And the platform in question is User Crowd. So you earn money by giving your feedback. So they're just looking for honest opinion by everyday people like me and you to answer questions about different products and help them improve. We literally just have to tell them, hey, I didn't like this about the platform. I didn't like this about the product. You should probably improve this. You should change this, or I really like this part. And they just have that honest opinion from you. And that's why they're willing to pay $10 per test. And I even made a free step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I make hundreds of dollars a day from my faceless YouTube automation channels. And you can watch that for completely free by clicking on the video that's on the screen right now.